this will be the last time that a Labour governor will govern Abia State. I say it without missing word. The next governor of Abia State will be APC governor. Yeah, I say it without missing word. So we are friends, yes. We work together, yes. But I will not be number 6 citizen of the country and another party will govern my state. The next election of 2027, APC governor will be there. I have told him in person, I have told him publicly and privately that APC governor will be the next governor of Abia State. How it will happen, I don't know, but it will happen.
So why are you not confident?
I'm confident because we are working hard. I'm confident because my government is working hard. The president is working hard. And Abia will repay the president. Abia will repay the president. The president that have given you Saudi Development Commission will be repaid. A president that is appointing Abians into administration will be repaid. A president that is allowing attraction of dividends of democracy to Abia State will be repaid. We are not ungrateful people. Monkey will not work and baboon will chop. APC will not help the state to be strong and then Labour will take the credit. And no. APC will determine who become the next governor of Abia State. I don't care about who the person is. But one thing I know is that the party platform, APC, will be the next governor of Abia State. Go and write it somewhere. That we are ready to work for Abia State. And we are tired of being outside government, the government at the center. We need to leverage the power of the center to, increase the development of Abia State. The governor is my friend and he's doing well. Comparatively speaking, from other governors, he's not doing badly within the 100 years in office. I give it to him, and I'm proud of him. He's my friend. In fact, we spoke today. There's barely a day we don't speak, but the issue remains. We have to push for our party to take over the state. I mean, I owe Mr. President that, and I owe my party that's giving me number 6 position that, and I'm sure the governor knows that I owe my party that, and I'm sure the governor will do the right thing at the right time.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The person you just listened to is the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Honorable Benjamin Kalu, threatening the takeover of Abia State Government House, literally by force, in 2027. And he said it without mentioning words. He said the next governor of Abia State will be an all-progressive Congress governor and not the present governor of Abia State, who you all know as Labour Party Governor, Dr. Alex Otti. And he was so emphatic about it. He said that he will not be number 6 citizen in Nigeria, and his state will be governed by another party. And he was very emphatic that the next governor of Abia State will be from the APC platform. And he said that he has even told the governor one-on-one in person, and then that in public, that APC will be the next governor of Abia State. And he said he didn't know how it's going to happen, but it's going to happen. In other words, he couldn't even have the decency to say at least they are going to win in a free and fair election. That's not in the picture. He didn't have to say that. All he knows is that they are going to take over. This is what Obasanjo used to call do or die politics. And you know, do or die politics often emanate from Abuja. Those who feel that they have the federal might, they will say they will come to the state and capture it using all means, fair and foul. And he was asked how confident is it that the APC can take over Abia State Government House in 2027, how confident he was. Because even he, Benjamin Kalu, is aware that his return to the House of Representatives was a miracle because of this Labour Party tsunami that swept away so many lawmakers. But look at how he was sounding as if he is a mini god who can determine what happens tomorrow. Like if he's gifted with the gift of Nostradamus. He was talking with certainty. And if you see his facial expression as he was saying this, you know that he meant business. That they are going to take over Abia State. And they didn't say that they are going to take over. He said APC will determine who will be the next governor. He didn't say the people of Abia State will determine by their vote who becomes the next governor of Abia State. He said no, APC will determine. In other words, the feelings and the views of Abia people does not matter in their intended state capture of Abia State. He was asked about his confidence. He said, I'm confident because we are working hard. I don't know how hard he's working. He said the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu is working. Government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu met Naira at 400 Naira to the dollar at the I&E window and 700 Naira to the dollar in the black market. That was where Bola Ahmed Tinubu met it. Today is 1,600 Naira to the dollar. Bola Ahmed Tinubu met a bag of rice at least 50,000 Naira. Today is over 80,000 Naira. Is that how hard work in the APC is doing that they deserve a reward in Abia State? Say the president is working hard. And then he said that the president has given the Southeast Development Commission. And so what? And the Abia need to reward the president for giving Southeast. What's the business of Abia with the Southeast Development Commission? Did they give it only to Abia State? That Abia State has to pay the price for the Southeast Development Commission. Southeast Development Commission that has not even taken off. You don't even know about whether it will be well funded or not. And even if they were well funded, Abia State as an oil producing state deserve every attention that the federal government could give. Abia State should not be used to pay the price for the Southeast Development Commission. And then he was talking about that he has to be the number 6 citizen. Who cares about his being number 6 citizen in Tinubu's government? Or what benefit is his number 6 to the people of Abia State or to the people of Southeast that he is number 6? Is he the first to be number 6? Is he the first deputy speaker from the Southeast? He is telling us that he had assured, perhaps that was the condition they gave him. Okay, we are going to give you one of the crumbs on the table, deputy speaker. You must ensure that Abia and Southeast, Abia, becomes APC state. And now he's trying, because the way he's talking, you know that his intention is to use federal might to do a state capture. He said the president will be rewarded, should be rewarded for what he has done to Abia, for the appointment of Abians. How many Abians did Tinubu appoint into any reasonable position? How many? Look at all the juicy ministries, agencies of government. Tinubu has populated it with his own people, Lagosians and other Southwest. Where any juicy place you see in Nigeria today that Tinubu did not put his own person, his South Yoruba person, he will put an Hausa person there. Northern. So what agency of any what? Where they put people of Southeast are useless agencies, if you like. If you don't mind my using that word. That's where they put people from Southeast. Agencies that has nothing to offer. National Press Council. That's where they will put somebody from Southeast. Which reasonable place has Tinubu ever put anybody from Abia, or even from Southeast in general, in any strategic agency of government that has what some people term as juicy? Where? So he's appointing people from Abia, so he need to be rewarded. Bola Ahmed Tinubu does not need any reward from Abia State, because already his government has failed in all indices of development. The New York Times, the Financial Times have exposed him as an incompetent economic manager. And these are unbiased assessors from outside Nigeria. So there's nothing hard-working about his administration that deserve Abia rewarding APC, with APC producing a governor. And he was talking about that monkey they walk baboon. Who is the monkey walking and who is the baboon chopping? And he also acknowledged that Alex Otti is doing well. In other words, doing well does not matter to this man. Is to have an APC person, whether that person is competent or not. It doesn't matter to him whether the person is competent or not. All he wants is that APC will have a state capture in Abia State in 2027. And he meant it. He meant it. But my concern is about Alex Otti, because if you see the last part of this interview, the last part of it, where he was talking about that Governor Otti, that he is sure that Governor Otti knows what to do. He said, I'm sure the governor will do the right thing at the right time. He said, I'm sure the governor will do the right thing. And before he said it, he was talking about that he has promised the president, he has promised his party that gave him number 6 position, that Abia will be APC. And he said that he is sure that the governor will do the right thing at the right time. In other words, this is a mild threat that ended this interview, sort of. It means that if Alex Otti don't want Abia to be captured by APC, he better do the right thing. Say he know the right thing. What is the right thing? Perhaps it is for Alex Otti to defect to APC. Well, we'll be watching Alex Otti, because politicians, you never understand them until they are in power. It's just like they used to say that you don't know a man until money is in his hands. We'll watch him, but should not forget in a hurry that the APC, Abia people rejected APC and PDP because they wanted a new beginning. And there is even nothing to recommend APC for Abia people, because there is nothing at the national level that Tinubu is doing that worth replicating in Abia State. He may be shooting himself in the foot if he succumbed to the threat by the deputy speaker. What he ought to do is to rely on Abia. It was Abia people that saved him. They wanted to snatch away his victory. It was Abia people that literally shut down the state until the right thing was done. He should look at his counterparts in Enugu State, who won the election in Enugu State. But the person that won in Enugu State, the Labour Party that won in Enugu, couldn't stand the Enugu people couldn't stand the pressure to defend the Labour Party vote they casted. And that was how PDP snatched that victory from them. And the Abia people stood behind Alex Otti, who has contested for governor severally and failed, both in ABGA and other parties. Labour Party gave him opportunity, and the Abia people defended the vote for him. If he is to throw Abia people under the bus because he thinks that federal might is what he would need to win the next election, already even the person talking, Carlo, has admitted that he is performing well. If he continues to perform well, Abia people will defend the vote for him. But if he succumbs and go to APC, I'm sorry for him, because at the end of the day, Abia people will now determine whether he is worthy of being re-elected or not. We keep on watching him. We keep on watching what 2027 is going to bring. But let us be rest assured that there is a plot from Abuja to capture Abia State by the APC by all means, fair and foul. And that is not the way politics should be played. It should be the people that will determine who wins an election, and not the federal government or the federal might from Abuja. That's my take on this matter. I don't know what you think about this, but give us your comment on the commentary box. What do you think about the threat to capture Abia State by the APC in 2027 as a reward for Bola Ahmed Tinubu helping an Abia person to be number 6 in Nigeria, and for the Southeast getting the Southeast Development Commission and what have you. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.